Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm super excited to bring you guys to this wonderful boom market strategy. This strategy is a simple boom market strategy you can be using to milk boom market crazily by making thousands of dollars trading boom market. This strategy I say is one of the best strategies you can be using, and based on this strategy, statistic. This strategy has 99.9% accuracy and is one of the simple bull market strategies you can be using to make crazy money trading bull market. This strategy, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know about this strategy. Everything you need to know about the strategy, I'll be showing everything to you guys. Everything you need to know about the strategy, I'll be showing it to you guys. And also, when I show you guys everything you need to know, I will also teach you guys the confirmation for the strategy, or the confirmation you need to see before taking any entries, and where you are going to enter for a trade, and also when you are going to exit your trade. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you guys everything in today's video. Okay, so here is the setup. So we are going to be teaching the setup, everything you know about the setup, confirmation, and entries and exit for you guys. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to do me a favor by subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on your post notification so that I post a strategy you guys should be aware. You want to make such amount, you want to make $16,000 plus profit in your own account, then this strategy is for you. Make sure you watch this strategy till the end so you won't miss anything from the strategy. And also, you do something we offer account management. So if you want us to offer account management that is either small or big account size, if you want account management, just contact us right at the number you are seeing at the screen. This is a WhatsApp contact, so you can contact us on WhatsApp for account management. Also, if you want to join our Telegram channel for free, then the link is going to be in the description below, so you can join our Telegram channel for free. So with that being said, then I quickly dive into this today strategy, guys. Now, so and this is it right here, this way I took this trade right here, this way I took my trade, and here all the setup have been met. Then we decided to enter for a trade. So I've also you guys the setup for the strategy. I've also you guys setup. We'll teach you guys everything you need to know about strategy and the confirmations. Okay, so now, so if you want to add your indicator, this is the icon you are going to go to. So just click on the icon. Let me first delete everything up, then we start from scratch. Okay, so you can see now that I have a clear chart. Now I have a clear chart. Don't mind the lines. So now you can see now that I have a clear chart. Now. So now the first thing you need to see to go to is just go to the icon where I said indicator. If you want to be adding indicator up, then you are going to click on the F plus. That's where you are going to be adding your indicator up. And the first indicator we need is the moving average. And the moving average period, this is the parameters for the moving average. The period is 9, shift 0, method is simple, apply to close, and the style is going to be any style, the color you choose. After set everything up, then click on done, and you have your moving average right in your chart. So now, the second indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be the moving average as well. So the second moving average is going to be 4. It's going to be 4. The shift 0 here it's going to be exponential. Method is exponential. Apply to close, and style you're going to be using the gold lines. To be using the gold one. So I will set everything up, then click on done, and you have your second indicator right here. So now the last indicator we are going to be adding right in our main chart is going to be the fractals. Okay, so we are going to be adding the fractals of which is right here. We're going to be adding the fractals. So just choose color of your choice, then click on done, and you have fractals in your chart. Now diving into the indicator window one. So now click on this F plus to add your indicator up. Then first thing we are going to be adding is the stochastic oscillator, which is right here. So we are going to be adding our stochastic oscillator, and this is the parameter for the stochastic oscillator. So when you set everything up like this, then you are going to need levels. You are going to need level, which is level 10, 80, 90, and 20 levels. Okay, so the overbought and the oversold levels. That is the levels that we needed. So when you set everything up, then click on done, and you have your indicator right in your chart. Now, so the next indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be our moving average right in our chart. So the moving average is going to be 15 the period is going to be 15, shift 0, the method is going to be simple, apply to close, and we are going to be using the gold line. Now we are going to be using the gold line. So you can see now that we have moving average right in our indicator window 1. Now the last indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be in our indicator window 1. So we are going to be adding our second moving average, and this time the period is going to be 9. The period is going to be 9. Shift 0, the method is exponential, and we are going to be using the black color. So we click on done and set that up. So now this strategy can be more understanding for us. So we need to change the color. I think we need to change the color. Let's change this one to black, and let's change this one to gold, so it will match with the indicator we have in our main chart and in our indicator window 1. So now we have the setup now for the strategy. Now the second thing we are going to go to now is the confirmations. All the confirmation you need for the strategy. So this is the confirmation you need now for the strategy. This confirmation you need for the strategy. Now you can see what happens right now. Let me first show you guys the same level. Let me show you guys the same level before we move forward. Now you can see that I've zoomed out completely. Now I'm expecting to zoom out twice. Okay, so I'm expecting to zoom out twice, then I'm good to go. Okay, so now for an entry right now on the based on the strategy, we want to see that this gold line crossing over the black line, which is something you are seeing right here. The gold line is crossing over the black line. Now on that crossover happens, you want to see that also that the gold line and the black line also touching the 20s or the 10 levels of the stochastic oscillator, and also crossing over each other right here. The gold line must cross over the black line. This is a clear confirmation that the market is going for a buy. Okay, now now the last confirmation you need now is you have to make sure that you see when the price is moving, when all the setup all the criteria have been met, when the confirmation have been met, you expect to that you see that your fractals must show. You have to see that your fractals must show. When you see that your fractals must show, then you're expecting to open. Okay, you're expecting to go for it. You're expecting to enter your trade. You're expecting to enter your trade. Now, some of you might be wondering why I use this line. So I just use this line just to know where I'm going to exit. I don't now. So the thing is also that you can use this strategy to set your entries and exit, but to close your position. But just decided to use this line to know where the market is going to. So I'm expecting to close my trade around here. When the market reaches, you can see this is where the market is. I'm expecting it to reach here, then I close my trade. Okay, now but we can actually use this strategy to go for to close your trade. So how are you going to use strategy to close your trade? Now you are going to be using this strategy to close your trade when you see that when you see that a crossover happens right here, which you are seeing that this is where the crossover happens. So you are going to close your trade. But if you want to be using this line, or using this line that I used to make each amount of profit, then I'll be creating another video based on that. So but for the sake of this strategy, just use this the same crossover which happens right here. But you can still hold your trades when you haven't seen that a crossover happens right in your indicator window 1. You can see, or you can close your trade when the price is reaching the 90 or 80 levels. You can close your trade, which is something around here. This is where the market is reaching the top. Okay, you can close your trade right there. But to be on the silver side, just exit your trade when you see a crossover happens. Now for the exit, Now for where you can set your stop loss, especially set your stop loss right below this line right here. When you see that the fractals are shows, expecting to set your stop loss below the fractals. Okay, that's where you are going to set your stop loss, and that is for stop loss. And for exit, you're going to exit when you see a crossover happens. And also you can be using your next key area, which is right here. This is the next key area you can see right here. When the market touches the key area, then it literally spike to the downside. Okay, so that is that based on that. And then this strategy is mostly used of 5 minutes or 15-minute time frame. You can use strategy on 1 minute time frame, but it's not that profitable. It's not that profitable. So you'll be using the 5 minute or 15-minute time frame. You can also use the 30-minute time frame to take your trade, but just use the 15-minute or 5 minute time frame for this strategy. Now, so that is that based on this strategy, and I hope you guys love this strategy. Just quick and simple strategy. You can be also using this strategy on boom as well. Use the scratch, so you can use this strategy to take your trade on boom as well. So just like the opposite direction. Okay, now you can use strategy to catch spike. So it's just simple as that. You can use strategy to catch spike as well. So which you are seeing right here, you can see where this is where it touches. This is where it touches, and you can see what eventually happens. The market shows aggressive to the downside, but you can see crossover happens right here. The factor shows, and the price is right here, touching the 90 or 80 levels of the stochastic oscillator. It's so simple as that. This strategy is used to catch spike and to scalp. So scalping means you are taking trends. Okay, so that is that for based on that strategy, guys. That is based on that strategy. I just want this video to be much longer, so that is that. So if you find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on our post notification. Hit our post strategy. You guys will be aware. So we do something, guys, with your account management. So if you want to join our if you want to manage your account for you, then contact the number you are seeing at the screen. And also you can join our Telegram channel for free signals. So thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.